Peekaboo. Alright, so, as you all know, I've been setting up Windows 11 on this computer of mine, and I decided it would be better if I just did a video recording instead of using my phone to record my monitor on how I'm connected to here, onto this computer. So I'm actually remotely connected on here. Uh, Here's proof. Yeah? Okay, good. Uh, but yeah, um, I thought it would be way quicker if I just, oh my, oh, if I just did it all here instead of just filming the screen. Because I mean seriously, look at this. This is way better, right? I mean, it's better for me too because I can be quicker this way. Oh wait, let me just. No, I want to uninstall this bad boy. Okay. Wait, what was that option? Unlink? Yes. That also works, probably. Um, no, I will not be doing any sort of signing in. Go away. Alright, let's uninstall OneDrive. That's like the first thing I want to do. Da, da, da. There's a lot of things to be done. Actually, wait. Let me just go back real quick. And not that. This. Bam. And bam. Just start off with that. Let's just do personalization first, so I don't become blind. Hold on. Transparency effects, so the GPU struggles a little less. And also this, I feel like, also affects the GPU. Probably. There we go. Alright. Size. Let's do size. Alright. Uninstall. Goodbye. What is the Start Experiences app? I've never seen that before. Oh no. I gotta click that. Oh my god, when I'm recording, I just pause the video in OBS. Hell yeah. Now it's like hidden. Look at that. Oh wait, another thing I'm gonna do. Advanced. There we go. Advanced system settings. This piece of crap. Performance, please. Huh! What the hell is that? Why is there so much? Hold on, is that just me? Yeah, that's 9 gigabytes. What the hell? We're gonna do something more reasonable, but still, useful if the time ever arrives. 2 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes, because, I mean, we don't need 9. That's for sure. Alright, goodbye quality. However, this will speed up the computer way more. I mean, yeah, look at that. It feels more fluid already. Just by doing that little trick called ruining the already not impressive graphics when it comes to this resolution. Like, can I? Screw you! Oh god! I'm traumatized. Get this out of my face. Oh my god. I don't know why I'm not surprised. No. I don't want you. Go away. Oh my god. I don't want you here. Please. Leave me alone. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I'm gonna have to, delete widgets or something. Oh, look at that. Widgets platform runtime. Oh, how perfect. I found the exact thing I was complaining about. And for some reason, unable to remove. What the hell is this, Microsoft? I bet you I can remove this just fine. Or not. I stand corrected. What the hell? What? You go away. Ancient, Yeah, if you guys remember, this has an 8500 GT from Nvidia with half a gigabyte of VRAM. And, reminder, it's so old, it doesn't even show up here in Task Manager. Not on Windows 10 either. It doesn't show up in Windows 10, so I'm not surprised it doesn't show up here. A lot of RAM sticks, by the way. Oh, they're all 4 gigabytes. Oh, what? Damn. I mean, that makes sense. 4 times 16, right? That's 64. Fair enough. But still, it's kind of wild. It's like the RAM sticks are, in reality, way smaller than I thought they were. Um, yeah, I mixed up my numbers. It has 16 slots, not 16 gigabytes of the RAM. No, 16 slots, which makes 64 gigabytes of DDR3. I don't know why I kept messing up those numbers. And for some reason, settings gave up on me, so I'm just gonna go out and go back in. Um, Uninstall. Ah, yeah, now it works. Don't know what was happening earlier, but this should be gone. Hopefully, it will be gone. Uh, Notepad. I don't need Notepad. I don't need Paint. I don't believe that these apps are only 16 or 8 kilobytes. They're probably this big when it's like completely unused, but once you open it, it's gonna be like 20 million megabytes or some bullcrap like that. But yeah, let get out of here. Get out of here. I'm installing Edge too. I have Chrome already on installed. Thanks to AnyDesk anyway. Kaboom, kaboom, kablim, kaboom. Why do I have solitaire? I mean, it's pretty peak, but still, I mean, it's Windows 11 Pro N. Yeah, we can uninstall it. Yeah. Oh, that's peak. Actual peak. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I gotta get rid of the drivers. Oh, that's my computer. Yes, I agree. Hello. You gonna take me to settings or not? Or do you count this as settings already? Oh yeah, you do. Okay, cool. This. All of this. More volume settings. There we go. We're gonna get rid of you. Low. What the hell? Lowest quality. No volume. Don't allow. Go away. Off. Enhancement. What the heck? Anyways, no, no, no. All sound devices disabled. Volume mixer off, off. I could have sworn there was something more. There was like, system sounds. Where the hell can I turn off system sounds? I don't know. Oh wait, view features. Wait. It's never gonna load. Alright, some of these things I don't even need. Steps recorder, definitely don't need that. Facial recognition, definitely don't need that. Facial recognition takes up like 100 megabytes. That's 100 megabytes too much for me. Internet Explorer mode, and there's a function. Microsoft Edge, which we just uninstalled, so that's useless. I literally uninstalled you. Go away. Go away. Restart. Oh, restart required. Okay. Well, let's check for updates. 0 of it. Okay. It's probably something if I just click here. Here's updates committed to helping reduce carbon emissions. No, you're not. If you wanted to reduce carbon emissions, you wouldn't have made Windows 11. Think about it. So many computers are now not able to run Windows 11 unless we do something like this or use Linux instead. You know, so you're not really helping Microsoft. I think you're just trying to dodge a bullet, you know? Oh, Jesus. I'm betting you it's all for the CPU. Yup, Intel. Look at that. I'm literally psychic. Okay, HP ports, HP, blah, 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 LCD monitor, blah, 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 blah. NVIDIA GeForce 8500 GT. Okay, maybe it will show up in Task Manager by some miracle if I install this driver. Oh, wow, that's old. Intel USB 2016. It's like 3 years after it, 3 years after those two Xeons came out. Oh, nice. Install all, please. Your device is missing a part secret. Make sure to keep your device on and plug it in so the update's complete. Yeah, that's kind of the point. That's why I'm here in the first place. So I don't I don't know what to tell you. What else are we supposed to do? Oh, right, power options. Because right now, yeah, the power plan, yeah. If I show you, look at this. Turn off display 5 minutes, put the computer to sleep 15 minutes. It's a server. Servers don't sleep, and also, the CPUs are not doing much. Like let me logical process. It is not doing much because it's being told to like chill. I refuse. Let's go high performance. Minimum, maximum. Never. You mean? Yeah. That's the biggest number lets me give it. That's not like something. Slideshow. Let's not do slideshow. Change power management settings for desktop background. Let's not do that. Configure a wireless adapter. Control the power of wireless adapters. We don't have wireless adapters, and if we do, I don't want them running like super strong and whatnot. Specify where select USB select suspend is turned on or off. Enabled. USB select select. Sure, why not? Link state power management. Off, yeah. Okay, apply, save changes, and now that we go in Task Manager, yeah, look at that, it's already over 3 gigahertz, because it's actually, the computer's actually telling it to go nuts, pretty much. So that's why we're well over 3 gigahertz. RAM, for some reason, decided to go up again. The SSD is struggling, though. I have no clue if this is a cache-less SSD or not, but it's definitely working pretty hard to, get these updates done. But yeah, while these updates are being updated, let me go back to taskbar settings. Off. There we go. That was pretty simple. Search icon and label. Oh, nice. Or just search icon only. I had search box, which is just that, because apparently it's not enough room. That works, and I can just type here. Oh yeah, it's the same. It's the same result. The hell. No speakers. I like that. Oh, NVIDIA drivers. Right. I'm telling you, it's probably NVIDIA drivers. Cause what else would it be? I've just been waiting for ages, and this pops up. All right. Image. Oh boy. Where's my computer? Yep. It's just this. That's great. Oh, it's giving me a question mark. Oh, it's like. Yeah, no, that's not good. Alright, so I just went over to the server and I forcefully shut it down. Hopefully that'll do something, but, it's rebooting right now, so let's hope it worked. Timmy! It said it was online, so I don't know. Maybe it was being optimistic or something, but as you can see, it's still booting. Probably. That's my guess, because this is still loading. It's really taking its sweet time. Oh my god. What you mean? I don't know if you can see this because I had to hide the numbers for, my computer, but it says session time limit reached. What are you talking about? I just want to show you how my other computer works just... Yeah, look at that. It works just fine. Look, it just connected. I don't think you're going to get any info from that. But yeah, this is my other computer. You know, the main server. But yeah, as you can see, it works just fine. I mean, look at that. It's computering right now. You know. Woo. Yeah, a lot of RAM usage. 13 gigs. SSD. GPU's going AWOL, as you can see. GPU's working hard, okay? Give it a break. But yeah, it's very weird. Oh, why is it not working? I thought it was gonna connect because it like adjusted the window size. Oh, hold on. It is, it's trying. Oh, it's in! Oh! And it gave me boot up sound, and for some reason the this is back. Oh, what is this? I have no clue what this is. Sir, please go away. Thank you. Oh wow, the taskbar is very clean though. I shut you off. Don't you make sounds at me. You're supposed to not exist. You're supposed to be... Whoa. You're supposed to be on lowest quality and not allowed. Same for this. No. You're done. You're done. Luckily, there's no microphone on here anyway, so it's like, no problemo. Jesus. Okay. If the GPU drivers are already installed, then this will save us a bunch of time. It is not, which worries me. Because what if it was the drivers that went AWOL? Oh. Well, I guess we won't find out, because we're getting a lot of errors, and I think it just ran off into here. Yep. A lot of stuff is running over to here, which is not surprising, because this was never meant to run Windows 11, so it's like, yeah, screw this. I'm going home. Yeah, so now, I want the GPU driver. Like, come on. Don't be a coward, computer. Don't be a coward. Give me them GPU drivers. Did it install? Oh, wait, no, it's installing right now. I hope it doesn't just go, like, the computer just... Oh, I can't speak today. I hope the screen just doesn't go blank, like earlier. Oh, just gave me an error. Download! Pending install. That's progress. I think. I don't know. It feels like progress, so... pending install. Come on! Come on, just install the damn GPU drivers. What are you doing? Come on! What is this? Well, I'm gonna just head to Chrome. Huh? What? Okay, never mind. It just... Because I shut off the computer earlier. I thought it was like from the Windows 10 install. It was like, hey, Chrome didn't shut down correctly. I was like, how did you know? Alright, let's install the stuff we need. I can't spell either. What the hell? What do you mean? Did you just leak my IP? Okay, I'm still kind of cranky that it showed me my like IPv6 address. Luckily, you can't really get my home address from that. It does tell you my town and whatnot and what provider I have. But if you watch my videos, you already know what provider I have and where I live, roughly. So I don't care. And bam, we are in. Just need to install the thingamajiggy. For some reason, downloading it for Windows was hidden here. It wasn't here for some reason. It was just, you know, it was right here in the middle of everything else. Don't know what that's about. Pod zap, pending install. Man. Where'd it go? Where you at? Why are you hiding? Why are you so slow? Oh my god, look at this Windows 11 moment. It just froze. Oh, it's back. Okay, it's just very unresponsive. My goodness. What the hell? I have no clue what any of this is, but I don't need it. So, bye. I don't know what this is, but I'm deleting it anyway. I should really put a better GPU in here, because honestly, um, oh, what do you mean I have that much space available? Oh, what the hell? Whoa, 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 that's not okay, that's not alright, what happened here? What? What? How did that happen? How do I have so much storage used up? Is the better question. Temporary delivery optimization files is 3 gigabytes only. I'll keep DirectX shader cache. It's only 2. I. What happened? Sure. This is very confusing times. Downloaded program files. Oh, it's 0 bytes, so we're fine. I don't know what the hell is wrong with this thingamajiggy. Why it's using so much storage. Wait. I have a feeling I know what it could be. System. We go to storage. And we wait for all this to load because I have a feeling it's system reserved, honestly. If something tells me system reserved is going to be the reason why I have so much storage used. Because there is no... Yup! Liar over here telling me it's 5 gigabytes. Yeah, there you go. Liar, my god. Oh. Alright, I'm installing this. Run Pawns app. As you can see, what the hell is all of this crap? Seriously. What? Okay, this is still weird. Why are there so many temporary files? Okay, you're wrong. It's just updates. But no, look at system reserved. This is not okay. System restore, I can understand that. Virtual memory, I can also understand that. Reserve storage, fine. System files, fine. This I don't understand. It is... That's how much RAM I have. What the hell? Did this computer just decide to match its hibernation file to the size of my RAM? Because look at this. This is how much I have. This is how much I have available. And this is how big the hibernation file is. What the hell is this? Bam. Ta-da. And we're just going to start sharing now so I can just earn money while I'm working. Well, working. Also, my link! Come on, guys, use my link. Come on, look at that. Look at the bonuses you also get. Ignore the fact I get 10% of your earnings without taking them. And look, it's not really showing what you get. You get like extra money, like an extra boost at the start, so you earn faster, which is pretty nice. Let's not forget about this. Yep. Alright, let me open up Firefox and ask how to delete hibernation file. Because I always forget how to delete hibernation file in Windows 11. Command prompt. Run as administrator. Alright, we're here. Alright, run the command power cfg.exe/hibernate off. This will disable hibernation, delete the hibernate, and free up disk space. I sure hope it did. Because if not, that's going to be a problem. Oh yeah, it definitely did. Look at that. You could already tell it did. Because of how much more storage we have. I will say, we're still using a ton of storage. Yeah, look at that. System files just doubled in size. Almost doubled in size for some reason. But yeah, this is way better than before. Look at that. 185 gigabytes free. Not 100 like before, which made no goddamn sense. Oh, wait. Windows Update. I forgot about that. That's also another reason why we're here. So, let's check. Check our progress. Still pending install. That's fun. Isn't that fun, guys? Pending install. Like, bro. So stinky. So goddamn stinky. Because this can easily be finished already, but no. I said don't log into Chrome. What are you doing? Honey. And not the browser extension, honey. This is another honey. Well, that was a close one. Start earning now! What the hell? I know. I understand. Oh my... Yippee! And we're earning. Hell yeah, let's go. Oh no, we gotta restart even though I don't have everything I need. Where's my fucking GPU? Come here, bastard. Download. Install. Installing. 0%. And it just left. It just didn't even give me a chance to say retry. Okay, so no GPU drivers, I see. And the last app on our list is EarnApp, which in my use case has only gotten better as time has gone on. Like, easier to earn from. Blunk. Ignore settings. Alright, pretty simple. Including CPU computation power, GPU computation. You're not going to get much from a GPU, just so you know. Network bandwidth and IP addresses on public web data from the internet and for other data training tasks. This is cool though. CPU computation power, you should have plenty. If all you need is cores, I'm your man. Look at that. Look at all that. I'm your man for the cores and threads. Clock speeds, it can do stuff. Not the most. Alright. Device is linked, resource sharing is paused for some reason, and there's no option to turn it. Oh, okay, it auto turned on. Never mind. I hid my email over here so no one can see it. Now we're awaiting connection. Well, after all that setup, let's just restart. Womp womp. Dun 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 dun. Ah. I got jump scared. I don't care! Go away! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone. Go away. Thank you. Bye bye. Alright, let's see. Is every app running? Oh, yeah. You don't need to be running, though, or doing that. New updates? What? Updates? Alright, bye. Alright, yeah, but... Sharing resources paused. Why are you paused? Hello? You're linked. Pawn's app is running. Honeygain is also running. This guy for some reason hates me right now. I don't even know why. I figured it out. It was in like a menu over here. I can't show you because of my email right here. But like, it was in a menu where I have to click on start earning. The button is no longer here for some reason. It's like in a menu somewhere over here. You know, like the burger menu thing. You click on it and it was like a start earning. I was like, I had hopes it would be correct, and luckily it was. Um. So yeah, not bad. Thank goodness. It still says awaiting connection, but you know. Oh, whatever. Earning money, sharing resources. Okay, we're finished. I am so done with this. And I still have to edit the video because I accidentally showed my email address. So all those pauses are while I was filming, but I still have to edit the video in the end. So